back to another KH tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I put this cityscape together. It's basically an impression of high-rise buildings going off into the distance and on a waterfront. So with some little bit of suggestion of a detail of trees to the edge of the water and some life, some cafes, etc. And it's in palette knife, and I use a bowl scraper. So this is basically oils on canvas. I use liquid to give it some fluidity and it dries faster, and I made it colourful. So it's pretty simple, and this is the first time I've done a cityscape. I always wanted to do a cityscape, and I'm kind of reasonably pleased with it. When you look at it actually in the flesh, it looks a lot better than the photographs that I take of it afterwards. One thing to note is that at the end of the video, I actually did improve the shape or suggestion of buildings. Before they were not quite as defined, and I didn't want it to look like trees. So I squared them up and gave it some features, basically, in a very loose form, because it is supposed to be an impression. Anyway, I hope you like my video. If you like my channel, I am starting this one up. My main channel, Harry's Happenings, I have a lot more subscribers, but this is more dedicated to the paintings that I do. So if you do like, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and any comments, I'll certainly reply to them. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little video. It's speeded up to 8 times what I recorded it at, so you can always skip through anything you wish if you get bored. Anyway, enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. Thank you.